You can easily achieve professional headlight restoration if you use the right tools. There are numerous restoration kits available on the market, but most don't work well and are expensive. Some people on YouTube say using toothpaste to restore your headlight can give you professional, perfect results. Really? To get like new headlights, use the 3M 39008 Headlight Lens Restoration System. This kit is very inexpensive and it really works. I use these kits all the time to restore headlights for my clients. Go to my website and find out where to get these kits and save hundreds of dollars restoring your headlights instead of replacing.